Hi, I'm Bruce. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the rehearsal space formerly known as Noise Annoys. Come on in. Now I'm going to give you a quick panorama of the room. At the moment, there are 3 microphones set up. They are Shure Beta 57s. Nice mics. They, along with a dead-end CD player and an iPod send, go into this Allen Heath 16-channel mix wizard. It sends to a stereo EQ, a compressor, and a Crown power amp. The Crown amp powers these 3 monitors, as well as the monitor that lives on the drum riser. For guitar amps, there's this fantastic Trainer Iron Horse 40 head. It's currently on this custom built 212 cabinet designed after a hard trucker's cabinet. There's also a 100-watt Fender solid state twin, and one of my favorites, a little Fender Pro Junior 15-watt tube combo. For a bass rig in the room, there's this recent vintage Yorkville XS200 Bassmaster. For a keyboard amp, there's this Trainer K2. It's a 200-watt, 3-channel keyboard amp. There's always a keyboard stand that lives in the room. And for drums, there's a set of PV Radial Pro 501 shells. It's actually a 7-piece shell pack. And a brand new set of Pearl 900 series hardware. For cymbals, there's a Zildjian hi-hat, a Mino Crash, and a Sabian AAX ride. Drum bakables aren't included in the basic price of the room. That would include snare, kick pedal, and cymbals. They are available at a small fee per hour. In addition to the drums, there's a small percussion kit set up and a spot to put your drinks and a place to sit your ass. For bands that rehearse here on a regular basis, there is limited storage available. If you are interested in renting this room, it's located in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. Please feel free to contact me at samsonitesoundcrew@gmail.com.